Decoding Complex Word Problems, your key to success. Hello everyone. Today, we'll dive deep into strategies for tackling those complex word problems you often encounter in GMAT and GRE tests. These problems can be intimidating, but with the right approach, you can conquer them with ease. Remember, understanding the essence of the problem is half the battle won. So, let's uncover the strategies to decode these puzzles. Before solving any word problem, it's essential to understand what's being asked. To do that, 1. Read the problem carefully. Don't just skim through it. Sometimes, the problem's complexity arises from the way it's worded. 2. Identify the main elements. What are the unknowns? What information is given? 3. Paraphrase the problem. This means rewording the problem in simpler terms or jotting down the key details. By doing this, you strip away any unnecessary details. A picture is worth 1,000 words. For many complex problems, drawing a simple diagram or graph can greatly simplify your understanding. 1. Sketch out any relevant scenarios. For instance, if the problem is talking about a distance between two cities, draw a quick map. 2. Label your diagram with the known quantities. This will give you a clear picture of what you have and what you need to find. Different problems call for different approaches. Here are some common strategies. 1. Algebraic approach. Set up equations based on the information given. 2. Logical reasoning. Sometimes, problems can be solved quicker by logically thinking through them rather than setting up equations. 3. Substitution. If you're given options, sometimes it's quicker to plug them in and see which one fits the scenario. After solving the problem, take a moment to 1. Reread the question. Ensure that you've answered what was asked. 2. Check your math. Simple mathematical errors can happen, especially under test pressure. 3. Ask yourself, does this answer make sense in the context of the problem? Word problems might seem like a tough nut to crack, but with these strategies in your toolkit, you're well equipped to tackle them head-on. Remember, practice is key. The more problems you solve, the more comfortable you'll become. So, keep practicing, and soon, you'll find these complex problems becoming a piece of cake. We hope this video was helpful, and we wish you all the best in your test preparation journey.